So this should be an interesting little repair. Not a roofing repair. Today, I'm going to fix some broken stucco. But just wanted to shoot this because one of the things I always talk about is the versatility of Icador. And this stuff can be used for anything. I especially love now that we have it in burst packs because I probably wouldn't want to mix up a whole 5 gallons or even a gallon just to do this one little repair. This is crushed walnut, which is my thickener of choice. Crushed walnut does a couple of weird things with Icador. It not only thickens it to essentially any thickness that you want, it will also slightly foam it, so it expands the product a little bit. Does make it a little bit softer, but when we're comparing to other coatings in other competing coatings, Icador has plenty of hardness to give up. So even as it foams and becomes a little bit softer, it's still going to be measured on shore D, whereas silicones and acrylics are going to be measured on shore A. So significantly harder. So for this repair, because I need it to hang on a vertical surface, I'm going to make this really thick. So at this point, probably right at the 50-50 point by volume. I don't know what it would be by weight because the crushed walnut really doesn't weigh a whole lot, but by volume, you can see that is really goopy. So I'm going to leave the stir stick in the next one. Don't thicken product before you need it. Thickening does encourage curing. I don't know what this is. So it's brick here, for some reason wood, and then brick the rest of the way, but the stucco has all come off of the brick. We've got rain coming, probably tonight, so I want to get this nice and waterproof. You can see how nice and thick that is, but it still wants to flow, it still wants to self-level, and it's kind of hard to illustrate, but it is actually growing and foaming a little bit right now as a result of the crushed walnut, which is really cool. So I'm going to do a little extra tie-in here. Now when you thicken to this degree, your initial adhesion drops a little bit. It's just not filling in the cracks and everything that way, but it is still going to adhere, like the famous Icador ridiculous adhesion. It's still going to get there, but it's just going to take it a little bit longer to soak in. So you got to be prepared. You're going to have drips and everything that way. Try to get into these cracks and fill that side. Now the good news here, we don't have to treat any of the different substrates differently because Icador bonds so well. It's going to stick to the wood just the same. It's going to stick to the stucco, any other masonry, anything with even the most minute of pores. Icador is going to stick like crazy to. You see what I mean about the working time, and that is actually getting a lot thicker already, and we're not even at 5 minutes yet. There you go, waterproofed in under 5 minutes. All right, so here is the repair all cured up. As you can see, the thickened Icador held firm into the undersides there. So we've really got a seamless transition there. If you would like help finding a Castagra certified applicator for your project, or would like to become a Castagra certified applicator, please call 888-388-2935, email info@castagra.com, or visit www.castagra.com.